Jai Hind everybody. So today I am starting exercise 13.3 which is based on surface area and curved surface area of cone, and this is question number 1. The diameter of the base of a cone is 10.5 centimeter and its slant height is 10 centimeter. Find its curved surface area. Diameter of the base is given 10.5, given है cone R will be, since the diameter is 10.5, the radius will be 10.5 upon 2 centimeter, and the slant height is given L, that is given 10 centimeter. Question is this: find the curved surface area. Now CSA of cone is given by pi into R into L. Pi is given 22 upon 7, radius is 10.5 upon 2 into 10. So this will become 2 into 11 into 7 into this. Okay, and this is 10. So this will become 11 into 1.5 into 10 is 15. 15 1 is 15, 165 centimeter square. Second question is this: to find the total surface area of a cone if its slant height is 21 meter and diameter of base is 24 meter. Given है slant height of cone, this L is given 21 meter and the diameter of the base is given 24 centimeter. Therefore, radius of cone will be, since the diameter is how much? 24. So radius will be 24 upon 2, which is 12 centimeter. Question is this: to find the total surface area of the cone. Now TSA of cone is given by this CSA pi RL plus pi R square. You can take pi R common, in the bracket you will get L plus R. L plus R. Just put all the values. Pi is 22 upon 7 into R. R is given how much? 12 centimeter, and inside the bracket L is given 21 and plus R is again 12. 21 plus 12. So this will be 22 upon 7 into 12 into 21 and 12, 33. Just multiply them. You will get 12 into 3, 66. 12 into 3, 66 and 6, 726 by 23, okay, into upon 7. You will get 12 6 are 72, 12 2 are 24, 31, and this 87 upon 7. Now divide it. 84 3 1 7 4 ja with 3 and 2 again 7 4 ja 5 and 7 centimeter square. So what is the total surface area? That is 1244.57 centimeter square. Okay. Now this is question number 3rd. Curved surface area of a cone is 308 centimeter square and its slant height is 14 centimeter. Given what you are given, slant height of the cone, this L is given 14 centimeter and the CSA of cone is given 308 centimeter square. So we can say CSA means pi into R into L is given 308 centimeter square. Question is this: find the radius of the base and the total surface area. First part, let the radius of the base is R. Therefore, according to question, the CSA is given 308 centimeter square. That is pi into R into L is given 308. Just put all the values. Pi is 22/7 into R. The slant height is given 14 centimeter. This will become 308. From here, this R can be calculated. This 7 is dividing, so this will multiply there and divided by this multiplied, which is with R, 22 into 14. Just multiply them. 14 2 ja 28 and 14 2 ja 28 and 2 308. 308 into 7 upon 308. 300, that is 7, and the unit is centimeter. So what is the radius of the base? That is 7 centimeter. The second part is find the total surface area. TSA of the cone is given by, here is the formula, pi R into L plus R. Just put all the values. 22/7 into 7 into slant height is given how much? 14. 14 plus 7. So you will get 22. This 7 is cancelled out. 14 plus this one, 21. And when you will multiply this, 21 2 ja 42, 42 and 2, 462 centimeter square. Is it okay? Now this is question number 4. A conical tent is 10 meter high and the radius of its base is 24. Find the slant height of the tent. You are given the radius of the base given है radius of conical tent. This R is given 24 centimeter, and you are given the height of the cone. Height of conical tent. This H is given 10 meter. 10 meter. Both are given in meter. The first part is this. Find the slant height of the tent. Slant height of tent. That is L. L is given by under root R square plus H square. When you will solve this, you will get 10 square plus 24 square. L is 10 square is 100 plus 24 square is 576. Add them, you will get 600 this one, and when you will solve this, you will get 26 meter. So what is the slant height of the tent? That is 26 meter. The second part is cost of the canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square is rupees 70. Now canvas required to make the conical tent, that will be given by pi into R into L. You can do this. This is 22 upon 7. R you have how much? 24, and L you have 26 meter square. Since cost of 1 meter square is, that is given rupees 70. Now total cost of canvas, that will be rupees 70 into just this canvas required, 22 upon 7 into 24 into 26. Now just here 7 10 into 22 into 24 into 26. Just multiply them. You will get 137,280. This one rupees 137,280.